Morning, you guys. Do you notice anything new? I got a new little tripod thing and I can actually record with my back camera, so I'm hoping the video quality is like a little better. It's kind of a big deal because today is shift 1 of 3 and I have not worked 3 shifts in a row in probably years. I scheduled myself to work 3 shifts in a row because of Easter and stuff. It's just how it ended up, but because I'm part-time, I rarely need to work 3 shifts in a row, which I realize is like an incredibly lucky, privileged thing of mine. I do not say that lightly. I know a lot of nurses who are working 3, 4, 5, 6 shifts in a row. Ever since I had my first kid, I went down to part-time to just kind of help out with childcare and stuff like that. Childcare is expensive, and I'm going to be totally transparent here. When my husband and I both have to work, and if we have to hire a babysitter, it is over $200 for the day for the babysitter to watch our kids, which of course we want to pay someone that is going to do a great job, and like we're happy to do it. But to think about how much money I make during a shift and how much money my husband makes during a shift and how much money is going to childcare for that one day is like mind-blowing. I don't know if any other moms can feel this, but also if I work more than 1 shift in a row, my kids take a day or 2 to recover after I've been gone. Working 3 shifts in a row, I know come like the end of my 3rd shift, going into that next day, my kids are going to be emotional wrecks. And I know it's like totally not their fault. It's just how kids are. I am definitely a primary parent home with the kids the most, and so they naturally gravitate towards me and give me all of their worst emotions and best emotions too. And I don't know if I've ever talked about this, but it's really hard for me, for moms in general, when you are trying to work to provide for your family. And by doing so, when I come home, my kids are emotional messes from me being gone all weekend or all shifts or whatever. And sometimes it almost feels like I'm being punished for just working and trying to provide for my family. I know that they're not like intentionally punishing me. They're just kids. They're young. They have big feelings. But sometimes I'm like, man, can't I just like get a little break? I'm at work when I'm gone. It's not like I'm out there doing some like grand vacation or something. I'm at work. I'm ready for shift 1 of 3. I am charged all 3 of these days. Fingers crossed that we just have a good weekend of shift. But if not, you'll see it in my recap. So stay tuned. Bye, guys.